Okay, this is a review for Thursday, June 20th, 2013, and I wanted to talk about something I got in an email from a professional trader that's part of this trial group, and the email was quite lengthy, so what I'm going to do is just more or less paraphrase it. And basically what he was talking about was how this whole week he's been using the box with his strategy, which is very simple. He's more of a, I guess what I would refer to as a trend follower. And so the bottom line is his strategies are based on the trend per the way that he follows it. And so, he's mentioning that there was a lot of factors pointing that Thursday would be a down day. Thank you, Fed. But it's besides the point on why and how somebody would do that. His point was, in using the box, what he's been doing this whole week and experiencing just unbelievable results with is that what he does is he will only take box trades in the direction of the current trend that he is following. And so yesterday obviously was down, and regardless if you follow a trend or not, I wanted to throw this idea out there because there's a lot of different ways that you can use the box. I'll get back to him in a second, but there was another email that came through from a CL trader. So that's crude oil for those of you that don't know what that is. And what he's been doing this whole week is using these profit levels in tandem with his strategies that he's been running for years. And he's been able to take 50% more trades this week just doing that alone. In addition to taking box trades. So he'll take the box trade and then he'll use the lines with his other strategies. And so he's this week, through Thursday, he's been able to take 50% more trades than he does on a normal basis. And his profitability has shot through the roof. He said that he's only lost a couple trades, and he's, obviously thrilled beyond measure. But I wanted to come back to the trend following idea, not because I want to give you a strategy, but more to explain that the box, it's very simple, it's very black and white, as you know. All of you have been using it this whole week, and it does what it does. The box identifies a high probability opportunity, which is exactly what we look for as traders, and the arrows reveal the highest probable direction, and then the dotted lines reveal the highest probable price levels or areas where price is most likely to react, which is where we prefer to take profits at, for this very reason. And so anyways, bottom line, yesterday he was only looking for short positions for obvious reasons. The Fed kind of helped with that. But if we look at that, during class or the live session on Thursday, we had nothing but winners. The entire hour and a half or so that we were in the live session, it's very difficult to lose money. We had this short that happened right at market open. Remember, we began 15 minutes after the hour. So I'm Mountain Time. Market opens at 7:30, and massive winner. Not only that, but we had the box short plus an RTM trade right here. So either one, winner. Both of those are winners. This one was smaller. And if there was a losing trade, it would have been this one. However, we did have an RTM trade that obviously won. And then here's the next one. So let's just talk about the shorts that in reference to this email. So short, so this is the first trade, winner, obviously. And I'm not even going to go over the RTM trades, but that was a winner. This RTM trade obviously was a winner. So, only following trend, that was a winner. This trade obviously won. So that's the third one. Number 4, smaller, but yet winner. Number 5, winner. So that's the 5th trade. Number 6, obviously was a winner. And we're not talking about, a couple ticks here. We're talking about all of these trades, multiple points. Okay. This one was a winner, winner, winner. This thing ran. You're still, looking for shorts. This thing continues on down. That was a winner. And then I think this is our last trade. So that obviously that was a winner. It hit the green line. So 11 trades, 11 winners, not looking back. And of course, he's obviously thrilled beyond measure. But I wanted to throw that idea out because I know that there's a lot of traders that, you've been trading for a long time and you do your own thing. But it's kind of been across the board. There's a lot of you as well that either one of two things. One, you're brand new to the market and you're trying to figure things out. Or number two, you've been doing this for a while, but you haven't quite found something that, really works consistently well. And so the box in and of itself, as you've discovered this week, is a very reliable tool regardless of the market. It didn't matter if it was Fed day. It didn't matter if it was the day after Fed day. It didn't matter if it was the day before Fed day. The win ratios are through the roof, as you've experienced. And by following the simple parameters as we've laid out, it's very difficult to not have some pretty astounding success. So if you have any questions about that or about the box in and of itself, feel free to send them our way. We're going crazy now with box trades, but it's that simple. And as all of you have experienced this week, so we hope you join us. If you have any questions, send them our way. And Friday is your last day of the trial, and we hope you enjoy it and make a lot of money. It's going to be a good day, and that's a wrap.